today's weekly analysis. So we have reviewed the past week and looked at a little bit of what caused us to face the various inducements, which was part of our experience in the week, and that made us lose quite some money, and haven't been able to go through some of the decisions and to spot the errors. I've been able to come up with two things. Number one, which is sorry, I'm trying to refresh my network. Number one, which is I said we would no longer take in entries when we do not have a full confirmation of our change of character and our break of structure. That helps us and keeps us in security. This is when we're looking at A setups, okay? But we took two A setups that didn't quite go as expected, and the reason is because, as you can see, this is what GU did. Took out this previous high and took out this previous low. How do you explain this? This is a very strange move. Took out this previous high, took out this previous low. That means GU is ranging. It doesn't have a direction. So, and in such markets, you don't catch a trend. You buy low, sell high. And then look at it now. At this level, price acted like it wants to give a reversal, but rather it's kept coming down. So how would we have been able to know that we are going bearish? It's a simple thing with understanding that when you do not have change of character or break of structure, we shouldn't have entered. I think there was one we entered around here, okay? So once you see the change of character, there's no break of structure, that means we're not in for a reversal of an uptrend, so we just keep going down. So we would have just kept selling, and that's the correction made so far. So I've been able to analyze GU again. I cleared the charts to make it very clean for us to be able to see and spot opportunities. And currently I can see that GU is testing on this mitigation block, and there's another mitigation block here, and I'm expecting GU to clear up this liquidity void, since it has been rejected on this mitigation block, and come to this next mitigation block. So that's the analysis that have been done already. When you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, then you can see the window. So here is the first window, of which take profit will be around here if we buy from here once the buy is confirmed, and then this is another window, but we need to see what goes on in this window and whether it breaks to the next window. Okay, so that's for GU. For gold, I've not really done any analysis on gold yet, but I can quickly just show you a few right here. One thing I would love to do is to clear up the charts. Okay, when the charts are so busy, they make you not to see or spot certain things, and sometimes over trade and force trade. Okay, so chart is cleared. What are you seeing? Price is currently being rejected on this order block, and price reacted on this order block. Okay, and price is going up. So now for me, I can see what can you see? Let's look together. Alright, so this is a liquidity void. This one is there for sure, breaker block, but in this place there is a mitigation block. You might not see it very clear on the 4-hour time frame. Let's step down to 1 hour. Let's see if it will be clearer. So on the 1 hour time frame, we're trying to spot if there is a mitigation block here. Okay, so price did this move and gave this rejection here, so that can be our order block. So then if that's the order block, we have price being rejected here. So price is rejected here for, you can't see that particular block now until when we go down probably to the 30 minutes time frame, then probably we'll see it. Let me see. Alright, so it's been seen now. So price was rejected here again. So we have a mitigation block here, just above after the order block. So we'll be looking at price taking out this liquidity. If it doesn't, then we're going to be looking out for this bearish move to this side. So this is the window for gold. And once it's taken out, we're going to be looking at the up move, but I'm seeing this big liquidity void here on gold. So that's for gold. So those of you on the VIP, you know gold is for you, GU is for the free channel. So I'll give updates on gold on the VIP channel. So euro, which we of course we all know that euro works almost hand in hand with GU. Sometimes either euro is lagging and GU is ahead, and euro is following behind, or GU is lagging, euro is ahead. That's how these two pairs usually, play out. So let's look at euro from the 4-hour time frame. Let's see the window. Okay, now euro sold massively. I still want to clear all these things. I'm going to take out my time to do that. If I don't do that now, the break of structures and general character is invisible. We can see it with our eyes. So that's why I'm taking them out. If there's need, I'll put them again. So now I'm seeing price coming from this mitigation block. You can see, okay, no, this mitigation block has been tested, so I think it's done. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take out this mitigation block. Then I'm going to be looking at, this is an OB that was tested before, but this was where price stopped. So since price stopped here, what we should have here is a mitigation block, but you will not see it until you go down to the lower time frame. Okay, sorry, this is an order block, right? No, this is where price is being rejected. So what we'll do is let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see if we can spot the particular block that gave that liquidity side. Alright, so now we're on the 1-hour time frame. I want to zoom out that region so we can see it clearly. Now this region, we can spot this mitigation block. So let's reduce this to the size of the mitigation block. So we can spot a small mitigation block here. So let's zoom it out so that we can be able to capture it properly. So the mitigation block is just here. That's it. So when you go back to the recent times, you can see what I'm saying now. So that will be where price is coming from, and let's see where price is going to. That's the upside liquidity. Then we can now see the window clearly. So pardon my network, it's a little bit slow. After this, I'll take you straight to the synthetic. I'll just show you a few bits of analysis that has been done on the synthetic. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Then I'm seeing a couple of liquidity at this side, like there's a mitigation block here. So EU's window is clear now. It's from here to this place, and once this place is taken out, then there will be an upside window. Okay, so for those of you on the VIP, you will be room and gold. Then those of you on the free channel, update on GU. So when we look at DXY, which happens to give us confirmations since it's correlated with GU and EU, let's look at the 4-hour. Since price hasn't gotten to the liquidity side of the 24-hour, so let's take out these lines. Let's take them out so we can see clearly. So price is coming from all these liquidities here. We had mitigation, we had order, and then price got to this point where there is an order block here, and that's where price is currently going down from. Now I still see DXY go bullish until this final liquidity grabbing on this liquidity void. But before then, DXY will do a little bit of retracement, of which let us see the window for the retracement. So if you are on the 4-hour, you will spot this mitigation block here. There's a mitigation block here from the 4-hour, of which I'm seeing price go straight there. That's where I'm seeing price go. So I see price coming straight to this liquidity. Okay, then it may range, or if it takes out this liquidity, I see price coming down to this point before probably going bullish. So these are the windows I'm seeing. So that means DXY may go bearish at the beginning of the market, while GU EU goes bullish. Only gold may not go bullish immediately. So that's what I am saying. So for the fundamentals, no high impact news much on Monday. We just have USD on 130. On Tuesday, we have AUD, and then we have USD 130. So there are just few high impact. So we have CPI for GBP 7 a.m. on Wednesday. On Friday, then we have some high impact on Friday. So Friday will be high impact. Okay, so trade with cautions. Sorry, Thursdays high impact. Trade with serious caution to avoid losing your funds or blowing up your accounts. So now let's go straight to the synthetics. Let me show you what is playing out currently. Now I'm seeing some beautiful move on crash, currently on a trade for crash. I wish I could show you. And it's currently in profits, massive profits. So that's because it's weekend, so let's just use it to catch some moves. So this is V volatility 75. It's already moving, so I'm just waiting for price to get to the next liquidity side before I decide on what volatility 75. Don't joke with our signals. You can see this is sharp. You can see this is sharp again. So let price get here before I give update on volatility 75. So like I said, volatility 75 is for VIP, volatility 25. Okay, I'm expecting 25 to get here. I've done all the analysis, and now take note, the strategy is not different from the smart money concept which we use for currency pairs. It's the same strategy. So should, in case you want to do your own personal analysis, just use the smart money concept. So this is what Boom is currently doing. Not doing anything with Boom now because I'm expecting Boom to either get to this liquidity, because this is the window right now, is at the middle, which is more like equilibrium, so it's not a good time to trade Boom. Boom is for the VIP, so any update you get on the VIP. Then crash is the one I'm currently trading, and it's currently giving me good profits. You can see what crash is doing, of which I'm thinking of breaking even right now. Okay, so price most likely is going to my take profits, as you can see. So I'm thinking of breaking even. Where do I break now? So I go down to a lower time frame so that the void can be broken down. So this is it. So I'm breaking even from these points. From this point. So anything from this point, if price decides to take me out, then I wouldn't want to continue with the trade. But if price keeps pushing down, then we're good. So for, like I said, for those of you on the VIP, boom is for you, crash is for you. Then volatility 75. Then we have jump 50. So volatility, one of the volatilities will go for the free channel, the other ones will go for VIP. One of the jump will go for free channel, the other ones will go for VIP. Then the crash, all the crash and the boom goes to VIP. So jump 50, which is the next one. Now not all we are taking because of the high volatility in them. That's why we're careful. So I'm currently on jump 50, as you can see, and price is doing more like a retest. So I'm thinking of moving my stop loss upward. Let me do that immediately, even while I'm still doing this video. So just be careful, always take note of your good risk management. Now I was saying something which is an update, still part of the review. I said do not risk more than 1% of your capital this week. You can see what I'm doing now. I entered this trade here, it gave me profit, but my target is on this next liquidity. That's what my analysis is showing me. So price is doing like it's reversing. I'm not willing to leave, but I'm not willing to risk. Okay, so what I do is I close up my stop loss. I should have brought it here, but no, the retest will definitely get there. That's not a good place for stop loss. Okay, if you want to learn that, see my video on how to hide your stop loss, or how to put a good stop loss, or how to manage your losses. So stop loss should just be a little bit below this liquidity side. Let's say if it gets there, then just know that price is not going in a direction. If it doesn't, then I'll be looking for another high and then move my stop loss up to this low. Okay, and I'm closing up with good proper risk management until I get to my target profit. And let me save this. Okay, so I think that will be all. I think, okay, jump 75, which is a little bit volatile. I've done an analysis on that, and I'm waiting for the liquidity side. Is it jump 75 now? Okay, looks like I have not done any analysis on jump 75. Let me check jump 100, because I know I did on 2 jumps. Let me check jump 100. Okay, no analysis yet on jump 100. Don't worry, I'm going to do the analysis. My hands are very tight and I'm very busy with so much going on. So maybe that's why. Let me check 25 if that's the one I did. Wow, okay, that means I've not touched any jump apart from jump 50. Don't worry, I'm going to touch few jumps. The reason those ones I'm doing are the ones that have low volatility. Okay, so those are the ones that are safe for you, especially for small accounts. Most of these other ones like boom 1000, crash 300, boom 300, they have high volatility, so you have to be very careful with them. So if I'm going to touch them, I'm going to give you the warning too as well, because of the volatility. So I didn't say anything on crypto. For those of us who want to trade crypto, we're just doing this analysis just because of I just want to just encourage you. It's not because I want to really trade this particular crypto, just to encourage you, because my hands are very full. I cannot be trading everything. So this one was one particular coin that was doing well just a few days ago, and this is some of the few analysis I did on it. So price has come to this side and has gone down. So price should get to this liquidity before it goes up. This is ladies USDT. That's 10,000 ladies USDT. Then if there's any update, I'll just let you know in case you're interested in that crypto. Then for the Peng USD, this was Peng USD. This is what it did. I was expecting it to do retrace. It's currently retesting. It may buy soon. Then which other one should I give you? BTC USDT. Which one did I analyze recently? I think it's this. So this is BTC USDT. You can see where BTC is coming from. see where it's coming from. BTC might get to this level before it will test upward because we're still on the bull run. Then which other one? Ethereum. I think this was the Ethereum I did. Let me see if they're USD. And I'm looking at price move from this liquidity side. As you can see, broke out this liquidity. It's currently giving a retest. What's it doing? It came to the half of this big fair value gap and it's currently bullish. So Ethereum is currently bullish. This is all I can do for now. The weekly analysis is really very long, but it's just for so that we can touch every aspect. We are complete in our trading system. We trade synthetics, crypto, indices, commodities, CFDs, stocks, Forex. Okay, so that's it. So you can learn all of them from us at KFC Academy. Right, so on the free channel and on the VIP group, look out for my updates in the course of the week. Let's go and win. I hope you're ready for the week. It's gonna